So in this video, I'm going to be talking about what is a raw audio stream. The raw audio stream is the stream of audio that is produced by a camera or other recording devices software before it is coded by an audio codec or encoded. So it's the exact same thing with video files. When your camera or your recording device or whatever picks up information, right, it needs to be, you don't get the raw audio file, the raw audio stream. It's encoded and then it's decoded by it's encoded by a video encoder, decoded by it's encoded by an audio encoder, decoded by an audio decoder, and then it's and those two things together is called a codec, which we will go over later. So, same thing. A raw audio stream is not the same thing that you're going to be hearing when you actually play the file.